What A is for? Letter A is the first letter of the alphabet. To make it sound, open your mouth wide and say ah, like you are at the doctor. It is a very happy and loud sound that starts many wonderful words. A is for apple. An apple is a crunchy fruit that grows on trees. They can be red, green, or yellow. Apples are very sweet to eat and keep you healthy and strong. A is for ant. Ants are tiny insects that live in the ground. They are very strong and work together in a big family. You might see them marching in a long, straight line. A is for alligator. An alligator is a big green animal with a long tail and many sharp teeth. They love to swim in the water and bask in the warm sun on the riverbank. A is for apricot. An apricot is a small, fuzzy fruit that looks like a little orange. It is very soft and sweet inside. They are delicious snacks to have in the summertime. A is for asparagus. Asparagus is a long, green vegetable that looks like a tall spear. It grows straight out of the ground. It is very crunchy and good for your body. A is for ape. An ape is a smart animal that looks a bit like a monkey but has no tail. They have long arms to swing through the trees and love to eat tasty bananas. A is for avocado. An avocado is a fruit with bumpy green skin and a big seed inside. The inside is soft, creamy, and green. It tastes great on toast or in a salad. A is for alpaca. An alpaca is a fluffy animal that looks like a small llama. They have very soft wool that feels like a warm blanket. They are gentle and live on farms. A is for anchovy. An anchovy is a very tiny silver fish that lives in the salty ocean. They swim together in big groups. Some people even like to put them on their pizza. A is for artichoke. An artichoke is a green vegetable that looks like a giant flower bud. It has many pointy leaves. You have to peel the leaves away to find the yummy heart. Now you know what A is for. We learned about apple, ant, alligator, apricot, asparagus, ape, avocado, alpaca, anchovy, and artichoke. Letter A is amazing. Keep looking for ah sounds everywhere you go.